Hello everybody to lesson 21 of JavaScript for active design. In this lesson we will know the switch, which is one type of condition testing. So in this lesson we will know the structure of using the switch. The switch is used to test some conditions, okay? So it differs, it's the same as the if statement works. So let's go and see how is the structure. First of all, if you need to define the switch, you should firstly define a switch function over here. Switch, and write here for example, the value you need to test. For example, in our case, we will test x. Okay, so then you will open a block, and inside it you will say case. So we have many cases as we want. For example, if case 0 means when the x equal to 0, do something, and we will do here something. We will type document dot get element by id, and we'll write here 2, which is the id we have it, dot inner html equal, and here we'll print the thing we have it. For example, print x is 0. Okay, so let's copy this element. We will use it a lot. Copy, then here we are. So in case 0, print this element, then break. Okay, in case another case, in case it's 5, print the following thing. Copy, paste. In case it's 5, copy x is 5. Okay, so then break means stop. Have semicolon over there. We should focus about the semicolon. Then in case the x is 10, what he should do, he should print here x is 10. Great. So then break and semicolon. Great. Let's save it and see what we have. Refresh. X is 10. Okay, so x is, he went from here 0 case, he will take the x. Let's delete the y so that you will not confuse. He will take the x. Okay, the x value is 10. X 0, he will compare between 0 and 10. Is they are the same? No, they are not. So he will jump to the next. Is x 5 here? Is x 5? No, he will jump to the next. Is x, in this case, is x 10? Yes, x is 10. You will print x is 10. Okay, imagine that the x is 20, for example, 100, or any value. Any value out of this conditions. What would be print? Nothing. Why nothing? Nothing, because we have here no condition that could contain that element. So in if statement there was else. Here we have something called default. So the default value could contain the value that will get the last option if no one of the options we have talked about is mentioned or is enrolled. So I'll write here x is, it's a, I thought it's is, I'm sorry, I'll fix that problem. Is, so x is, we'll say, not here. So x is not here. Now he will print what? He will print x is not here. Great. So what he want? X is not here. How is that? Because he went to x is 0. X now is 20. No, it's 20. 5. Is x 5? No, it's 20. Is x 10? No, it's 20. So x is not here. Great. So I hope it's easy. And it's easy. This does not work only, the if statement and this switch does not work only with numbers. It works, for example, with string. Imagine that we have here the name of, for example, BMW. Okay, so the BMW here, we will test the X. Is X BMW, is X AAA? No, he will say X is not, he will say X is AAA, for example. Is X BBB? No, X is, he will say X is BBB, for example. Okay, is X for example BMW? He will say yes, X is BMW. Else he will say X is not here. Save it. He will come here, he will test, is X, which is BMW, is here is like EA? You will say no. It's like, is it like BBB? You will say no too. Is it like BMW? BMW. So he will say yes, it's like, they are the same. So it's X BMW, which is the condition number 3. Okay, so I hope it's easy and it's useful too. And thanks for listening and watching, and see you in the next lesson.